Hello, dear friends. We are going to start module number 7 today. Module number 7A, entitled English for Advertising. You know very well the way of advertising. Every day you see different kinds of advertisements on television. Some advertisements amuse us, some advertisements compel us to think over it, and some advertisements are too much vulgar that we cannot see these advertisements with our family. So, create an advertisement is a skill, no doubt. Sometimes while surfing on internet, we come across with some different advertisements. Amazon and all material selling agencies are there that makes various kinds of advertisement for the development of their sale. Generally, advertisement is created for the business purpose. You must know how to create an advertisement, and that's why this unit is included in the syllabus of BSc Part First, Semester Second. What are the objectives of these advertisements? Advertise, English for advertising. What are the objective of this topic? So in this unit you are going to learn first advertising and its meaning. Second, different media for advertisement. Means where you are going to put your advertise. Various types of medias. Then third one is structure of the advertisement and its techniques. What kinds of techniques is required or are required to create an advertisement, and what the structure must be of the advertisement, we are going to learn. And fourth one is effective use of language devices. Which are language devices and how we can use these language devices effectively while making an advertisement. So these are 4 basic objectives to introduce this lesson for the syllabus. Advertising is one of the most complex and challenging phenomena. Whenever we open a newspaper, turn on the TV, search on web or walk on the street, we see the advertisements. If we open the newspaper, we can see advertisement everywhere. Sometimes we walk on the street, we see various kinds of flex boards of the advertisements. On almost every shop. When we turn on TV, we also see advertisement. There are more advertisement than the content, than the serial. If we are seeing some serials, The content of that serial is very little, but the advertisements are more. This is the fact. And sometimes we mute with the help of remote because there is a bombarding of a particular advertisement after every 5 minutes. So obviously people don't want to see the same advertisement again and again. We see the advertisements, various kinds of advertisements are there. It is a powerful tool of information from the seller to the buyer. Two important aspects are there. One is seller, another is buyer. Who creates an advertisement? Seller creates an advertisement. For whom? For the buyer. It represents a form of communication directed at a large number of people. For what purpose the advertisement is created? They want to communicate directly at a large number of people. A particular way of interaction between language and media. Advertising appears to be homogeneous, cross-cultural, and speaks a kind of universal language. It appears as a homogeneous, acceptable to all, appreciable by all. Cross-cultural means the advertise crosses the boundary of cultural bondages beyond the culture. Indian culture, Hindu culture is a different culture. Muslim culture is a different culture. Christ culture is a different culture. So this advertisement crosses the borders of cultural bondages and speaks a kind of universal language. There is a universal appeal in the advertisement. Now we are going to see the first point, advertising and its meaning. What is the meaning of advertisement and why the advertisement should be done? According to the free encyclopedia Wikipedia, advertising, generally speaking, is a promotion of goods, services, companies, and ideas, usually performed by an identified sponsor. What is an advertisement? Advertisement is a promotion of goods. Goods, that is material. Services, companies and ideas, usually performed by identified sponsor. Marketers see advertising as part of an overall promotional strategy. The people who are working in the market, they see the advertisement as a part of an overall promotional strategy. If you want to promotion your product, you have to do advertisement. If in the promotion of the movie there is a promotional kind of advertisement, I would like to tell you about the cine stars who usually come to a show which is a very famous and seen by almost all people. In Marathi, there is one very popular show, that is Chala Hava Yeou Dya. You might have seen many stars usually come or visit this stage, Chala Hava Yeou Dya, and promote their shows, their films, their movies, along with all co-stars. They are there on the stage and they try to promote their movie with the help of this promotional organized show by Chala Hava Yeou Dya and G Marathi. So advertisement is an unavoidable part of promotion of any kind of goods, material, company, service, etc. In other words, it is an attempt to influence the buying behavior of the customers or clients by providing a persuasive selling message about the products and or services. There is a message in that advertisement why this product is important and why you should buy this only. Why you should buy Dove soap only, not others. There is a message in that advertisement. They want to convey or convince the buyer why our product is better than other products. So advertising informs the customers about the brands available in the market and the variety of products useful to them. There is a comparison of other brands also, of a particular brand. Suppose Titan is a particular brand. There are many watches in the market, but Titan is different. And why Titan is different? There is a logical connection of the best quality of the product in the advertisement. You will come to know by after seeing the advertisement, that this and this product is quite essential, important for you, and that will be beneficial for you also. So that conveniency, that convincing appeal is made in the advertisement by any producer. Producer means the goods, the person who produces the goods, production, by whom the production is made of the particular object. The variety of products useful to them. How many products are useful to you? The advertisement shows you the usefulness of the particular product to you, and they, in other words, try to compel you to buy this product. So this is the advertising and its meaning. We will see in my next lecture the second point, advertising and its media. Till then, thank you.